Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the fuel volume units on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can switch the fuel volume units between litres US gallons and UK gallons in the Seat Arona settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the System settings and tap Units. Then tap the current volume unit to the right of Volume. Tap to choose the volume unit that you would like to use. It will change immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.